I never thought I'd hate filming so much for one time. Like, I've tried filming this for 7 times now, and I keep moving the camera, trying to figure out where it's best, and then getting all these interruptions and stuff. And I keep messing up. And I have to look perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm an idiot pretending to be perfect. Sorry. Alright, anyway. Hi, my kittens. It's Rawesome Cat here, as you can tell. And I'm going to be doing the song If You Listen. It's from my choir. It's a Christmas song, but I don't give a care. So, yeah, let's just go. Princess Bertha was at a banquet, so she couldn't do it. There, so that's the song If You Listen. I finally did it after 7 sticking tries. Oh. Yeah, so I hope you liked it. If you did, show me that you liked it by liking the video and subscribing if you want to. You want to see more of my idioticness. Oh, we have a couple new subscribers, so hi. I didn't write you down your names, but I noticed. I saw your email. I saw the email that says, you have this as a new subscriber. This person has subscribed to your thing. So hi! Welcome! You're a kitten now. Anyway, peace out. High five!